What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the clip. We got 9-year-old Dimitri out there on the track. TRX90, he's killing it like a pro. Little bit of instructions, this kid's flying. He found his wings at a young age. Killing it. He's going to be out there with the rest of everybody else soon, showing y'all how to ride. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. We got all kinds of ride content, builds, and other stuff going on at the shop. Go ahead, if you like these kind of videos, hit the like button. It's free, doesn't take much effort, really helps support the channel and gets these videos out to more and more people. Throw a comment in there, tell me what you think of these videos. Kids riding are always fun. Got some more videos of me and Tony riding around on the track, and we've also got race videos coming up, so stay tuned. Don't forget that subscribe button. Bell notification tells you when stuff's uploaded.